Hey, Logan, tell us about your sandwich.
It's really good.
What do you got, Logan?
Just salami, pepperoni, you know, basic sandwich.
Toasted or not?
Not toasted. Usually I get steak and some cheese, and then I get maybe a little extra meat in there, maybe chicken. Have it toasted. But this is pretty good. Classic.
1 out of 10, how would you rate your sandwich?
I'd say about 7.
What was the
Maybe
friendliness?
6.5.
Friendliness of the staff?
Pretty friendly. The staff weren't really friendly to each other, but they were friendly to us, so it was nice.
Were they fast or slow? Fast?
Fast for the most part.
Would you recommend your friends to Tremont Subway?
Maybe.
All right, Mitchell, now your sandwich.
My sandwich? Can't go wrong with classic spicy Italian, banana peppers, jalapenos, black olive. Probably a solid 8 out of 10. Staff, very helpful, very fast, very friendly. Overall store rating, 8.6.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. All right, we got a Titan. Oh shit, I already ate that one. We got a Titan turkey right here. All right, let's get. They didn't have the bread I want, so like a 5. Staff. My man Liam made my sandwich, so 10 out of 10. My overall rating, give it like a 6. I would recommend this store if they had everything in stock.
W.